Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you about a position at Discover. So let's get right into it. Discover is hiring a lead collections specialist. Let's scroll down. About the role. We offer 100% remote, combo, or on site. The choice is yours. So, whatever you want, but this can be a remote position. And after you join the team, Discover will provide eligible employees with a one-time allowance of $500 to cover the cost of setting up a home office and a $60 monthly payment to offset the remote work expenses. Okay now? Okay. With us, you'll do meaningful work from day one. Our collaborative culture is built on three core behaviors. We play to win, we get better every day, we succeed together. And we mean it. We want you to grow and make a difference at one of the world's leading digital banking and payment companies. We value what makes you unique so that you have an opportunity to shine. Wow, this position sounds like fun already. Let's get down to the job description. We know you're going to love it here. Discover has an outstanding culture and employee experience. That is fantastic. Our next classes start October of 2024. We are currently hiring for the following schedule: 1:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern, Ohio, 11:30 a.m. to 8 p.m. Mountain Time, Utah. Shifts are Monday through Friday with weekends as assigned. What you'll do: under general direction, responsible for servicing delinquent credit card accounts through varying contact channels, minimizes losses to the company by assessing each customer situation to provide relevant payment options while strengthening the relationship with our customers, utilizes professional and influential communications to keep the goodwill of customers while securing payments, uses multitasking skills to handle back-to-back calls in a fast-paced call center environment, actively manages and escalates risk and customer impacting issues within the day-to-day role to management. If working from home, you will need a quiet workspace so you can focus on our customers. And they set you up for success. We'll provide you with the equipment you need: monitors, laptop, keyboard, mouse, headset, and an amazing new hiring training experience. You'll also have the best coaches to help you deliver the best service. How you'll do it: reviews past due accounts and calls customers to arrange an acceptable payment program for accounts from which sufficient funds cannot be collected, builds rapport with the card members and works with customers to secure repayment in delinquent accounts, ensures compliance with company policies and procedures, handles difficult situations as determined by the call center management. The qualifications: a high school diploma or GED, 2+ years of collections, 2+ years of advanced level experience in customer service, detail orientation, professionalism, verbal communications, collections, negotiation, compliance, and system computer fluency. 1 year of working level experience in listening skills. Bonus points if you have 3 years of collections, 2+ years of advanced level experience, 1 year of working level experience. Now, a credit screening may be required for some roles with Discover Home Lending. Compensation: the base pay for this position generally ranges between $23.25 to $29.80. Additional incentives may be provided as a part of market competitive total compensation package. Factors such as, but not limited to, geographical location, relevant experience, education, and skill level may impact the pay for this position. In benefits, here's a list of benefits that they offer. If you want to learn more, go to mydiscoverbenefits.com and you can dig deep into those benefits. And that's the position. Good luck.